pasta. Alia, can you stop saying? So, hi sweetheart. Kakagising ko lang today and I realized na matatapos na pala yung Ramadan. So, I decided na gumawa ng isang dessert na tribute para sa ating mga kapatid na Muslim. Hello, sweetheart! So today, ang gagawin natin is very special tribute to all our Muslim friends. So alam naman natin na matatapos na yung Ramadan, so I have decided to actually share this very easy and yummy, rich in flavored Mediterranean dessert na perfect for Eid Makbruk. So sa aking mga kapatid na Muslim, advance Eid Makbruk, and I hope magustuhan itong napakadaling gawin na dessert. So tara, simulan na natin. So, ayan. Tapos na natin gawin. I hope i-try nyo ay magustuhan itong napakadaling dessert. And again, to all my brothers and sisters in Muslim, Advance Eid Mabruk to you and your family. So, I'll see you on my next sweet adventure. Ciao!
Papa. papa. Mama, bigatnya po aja. Papa, ino papa. Mama, ikato, iya. Iwala, 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 iwala. Here.